Do you know when the biggest theft happens? It's not when someone steals your money. It's when someone steals your years. And the worst part? You don't even realize you're being robbed. I stand before you like a man who committed a crime, not against others, but against himself. I wasted 40 years chasing a virus I didn't even know existed. This virus doesn't attack your body. It attacks your soul. It doesn't give you a fever. It gives you comfort. And comfort is the most dangerous disease of all. I built houses I never lived in. I impressed people who won't show up at my funeral. I became successful at becoming someone I was never meant to be. Look at your hands. Look at your reflection. Who is looking back at you? Is it the man you dreamed of becoming, or a stranger wearing your skin? Most people don't die at 80. They die at 25, but they aren't buried until 40 years later. There is a virus. It's silent, it's invisible, and it's eating you right now. It's the plague of chasing shadows. Status, approval, digital applause, fake smiles. Shadows have no substance. They can't hug you at 3 a.m. when loneliness is suffocating you. For 40 years, I waited for permission to be myself. By the time I gave it to myself, my youth was already gone. We wake up, we scroll, we work, we please, we sleep. Repeat. Every day, the virus eats a piece of your ambition. It replaces your dreams with safety. Society says, fit in, follow rules, be normal. But normal is just wasted potential wearing a suit. As Seneca said, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. We are professionals at wasting time, waiting for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment never comes. The virus is fear. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of being different. Aristotle warned us, the worst slavery is to be a prisoner of oneself. And the first was a prisoner, polishing my image in front of others, while dying inside. You think you're spending time, but the truth is, time is spending you. One day, I looked into the mirror and didn't recognize the man staring back. The fire in his eyes was gone, replaced by exhaustion. Marcus Aurelius said, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. But we live like we'll never die, and then we die like we never lived. Listen carefully. If you're hearing this, you still have time. The cure is not in medicine. The cure is awareness. You kill the virus by starving it. Stop feeding it your attention. Stop feeding it your fear. Stop feeding it comparison. Rumi said, the entire universe is inside you. Stop acting so small. Kill the version of you that seeks validation. Kill the version of you that fears being alone. Become dangerous to mediocrity. It is better to be a lonely lion than a popular sheep. The cure is solitude. The cure is truth. The cure is action. My 40 years are dust, but your years, they're still breathing. So I ask you, if today was your last day, would you be proud of the man you've become? Or would you finally admit you've been living someone else's life? Write your truth in the comments. Your honesty might wake someone up. Subscribe to the Quotes Voice Official, because the virus is silent, but the cure is your voice.